Hello you guys, my name is Miko and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos about beauty, fashion, and hair, and today I have a crochet braid tutorial for you guys. Please follow me on Instagram at me.koh and let's stay connected. Today I'm going to do some copper crochet braids with this Nature's Touch Type 4 twist hair. It's a beautiful color for the fall. And of course you're going to need a crochet needle and you're going to need some scissors. Okay, so I just want to show you guys my braid pattern. I have it braided straight back in the front, and in the back I have it braided straight across. That way I can put my hair in a ponytail and it looks pretty natural on the edges and at the back. I try to take really small sections of hair when I crochet. The key to making your hair not so full when you're crocheting it is to take small pieces and to space it out as much as you can without it looking weird and spacey, but it being pretty natural looking. So at the back I'm kind of putting it close together because when I put it in a ponytail, I want you to be able to not really see my braid underneath. I want it to look really natural. This hair is giving me Ariel, it's giving me SZA, it's giving me Tiana Taylor with the ginger hair, and I'm just really feeling it. So the reason why I wanted to make this tutorial is not to show you guys how to crochet hair in. I feel like I've done a lot of that, but I really wanted to show you all how to make it look more natural by adding baby hairs. So when the wind blows, everything looks on point and like it's coming from your scalp. But just to kind of go over it again, I know people like to see kind of what's going on. I use the invisible knot method in the front. That way it looks just more natural. You can't really see the knots, you know. Okay, fast forwarding to me finishing putting all the hair in, and as you can see I kind of left the edges out because I'm going to do something special to make that look more natural. But so far it didn't take me too long. It took me maybe about 30 minutes or less to crochet all this hair in. Now I'm just taking small pieces. I cut the hair from the pack in half and I folded it as well, so when I'm putting it on my hair, on my edges, it's a little bit shorter. I don't want to waste too much hair. I want to use as much hair as possible, so cutting it in half just allows me to be able to cut off less. And here I am just using the invisible knot method to put it along the edges of my hair. You guys can kind of see that. Okay, this is the fun part. The edges are all in and I'm just trimming the ends so that it's shorter, so that it looks like edges, and it looks so natural doing this. I love this. I'm gonna do this every time I do my crochet braids, most likely. This also helps because, you know, this hair is so bright, it's so vibrant, and I actually didn't expect this hair to be so bright. It looks darker in the back, but adding these edges makes it just kind of blend in more and look better. I think it's kind of weird with the black underneath because it's such a stark color in comparison to the red. So I think this helps when you're using color in crochet braids. Disclaimer: if you are under the age of 18, do not try to cut things yourself. Don't use sharp scissors. Have a parent or guardian help you out. So I I'm using this brush, the soft end of the brush, to kind of spread apart the edges, and it makes it blend in a little bit more and it makes it look way more natural. So that's why I'm doing that. I had to add a little bit of hair where there's space, and it really is just transforming the look to me. What do you guys think? Are you guys gonna try this edges thing? I think I'm gonna do this every time I crochet my hair. I love it. By the way, be extremely gentle on your edges. When I'm tying this hair along the edges, I'm being very, very gentle. I'm not tying it super tight. You don't want to pull out your edges. It's a protective style, so you want to protect your hair. So now I'm going to do a braid out. And I'm just sectioning the hair in order to put it in some plaits. Snip off the ends that are looking a little crazy, and then I'm gonna dip it into some hot water. The only thing I would have done differently with this is I didn't have enough hot water, so I didn't get close to the very top of the braid. Of course, you don't want to put hot water near your scalp. You can burn yourself, so make sure that you're careful with that. But for me, I wish I would have done it a little closer, just so that the waves kind of start closer to the root. But if you are under the age of 18, do not get boiling water and try to dip your hair yourself. Have a parent or guardian assist you, please. We don't want you burning nothing off. This stuff is really hot. So I'm using a towel, obviously, so that I don't burn myself. I'm being very, very careful. And I'm just kind of dipping it in for a little while, not too long. And then I'm patting it and pulling it dry with my towel. So, this coffee thing is old. It's not, we don't use it anymore. So no need to worry about like, ew, why are you using a kettle to put your coffee in for your hair? This is an old kettle. We don't use it. I just use it to dip my hair. So okay, so once I dipped and patted everything dry with the towel, I wrapped my hair in my scarf and I went to bed. I definitely left it overnight to dry. I ended up wrapping the ends up in a bonnet because the hair was still a little wet and it was bothering me, but for the most part I had this scarf, and then I also put a bonnet on top of the scarf overnight. Okay, at this point it is the next day, and I have the same makeup look because I do the same makeup, which is why I haven't had done a tutorial for you guys, because I do the same thing. But I'm unraveling the twist now, and the twist out came out great. The braid out, should I say, came out looking beautiful. Only thing, like I said earlier, that I didn't like was I didn't get the roots wet enough, so it was kind of poofy at the roots, and then suddenly there's this wave at the end. So if you want your roots to be consistently wavy, you probably want to dip it a little bit closer to the scalp. Don't get all up on your scalp and burn your scalp, just enough so that you know the waves start kind of from the roots. But other than that, I love the color. Like I said, it's just giving me Ariel vibes. So I think this is perfect for spooky season. If you are a black girl and you want to be Ariel for Halloween, but you want Afro hair and you want it to be quick, this is a style. So have fun, you guys, and definitely be safe. Don't be going door to door. COVID is a thing. But, you know, I don't know what you guys have planned, but if you want to be Ariel, I got you. Now, look at this hair. It's so beautiful, so pretty. If you came here and discovered my channel from my other Afro crochet braids tutorial, or if you followed me on Instagram and you saw the little twist out look with the black hair I did, this is what I did, except I didn't miss the roots. I did a braid out and I dipped it in the hot water and I got these beautiful waves. It looks cute and black. It looks really natural. Tell me what you guys think. Do you like the edges thing? I kind of had to spread them out a little bit after I undid the twist out, but it still looks pretty flat to me. You can do a little ponytail if you want. So tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you love? And yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I'm trying to post a video every week. And give me suggestions. What do you want to see from me? Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you.